Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. This is the Ultralight Airplane Driver channel. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure to watch that. Today I'm going to be trying to pull this engine off by myself. Should be fun. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to rebuild it again. I guess looks like I sent a picture to Kenneth at AirTech, and he said it looks like a circlip came off inside there. So gonna have to get this thing off of here and then get it out to a guy that can rebuild it for me. Not really my cup of tea to rebuild it, so I'll let him do it. Anyhow, let's get into taking all the hose lines off, hose lines, wow, gas lines off. I am probably gonna take this off as well. Makes things maybe a little easier. So here we go. Take a minute, get all this stuff off of here. That Loctite's holding good too. I put Loctite on these. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to crank the whole thing out with this tool. Jeez. Well, we'll see in probably 25-30 minutes. This will take a while. There it is. Took me a while. Pretty much had to make every turn with the wrench because got Loctite on there. I want to check these little bushing things out. Now we got that. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna put a couple vice grips on it to try to hold it up there while I'm taking those bolts out. The vice grip will hold it up there, I think, but I don't know how I'm gonna undo the vice grip and hold the engine. This is a little nerve-wracking. Just a little. Washer on top. That was way easier than I was thinking it's gonna be. I'll take it. Yeah. Well, there you go. Got it pulled off. All I can hope for is that it's a quick rebuild and I can get it back and put it back on there without any other issues. So, whew. Thanks for watching. We'll see on the next one. I don't know when the next one will be, but hopefully it will be me putting this engine back on. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, I say that seriously because it's like, you know, doing this would be ridiculous if none of you found it interesting. So really appreciate it. And until next time, see ya.